So, simultaneous equation in our algebra, one of the things that students often say, oh, I'm struggling a lot with that. So here we've solved the following simultaneous equation to find the value of x and y. Don't forget, we always have to find the two letters. So at the end of our calculation, we're going to have x equal a number and y equal a number. Now, doesn't matter how your simultaneous equation are presented to you. The main point is that in the first step, and again, we have two different methods of doing that first step, is that we eliminate one letter. That's very important. That's what we are trying to achieve in the first step. We're trying to either eliminate x, or in this case, or eliminate y, whichever we want, whichever is good, whichever is easy. And like I said, there are two different methods of doing that. Now, the one that I want to stress, which is more useful in a lot of other calculation, is the method of, we can call it substitution, replacement, however you want to call it. When you have a letter without number beside it, that will be your starting point, excellent point, and always work great. So what do I mean here? I take, so this is my equation 1 and my equation 2. So I take this equation 2 and I want to change it. I want to have y on one side and the rest numbers on the other side. So that 2x have to go to the other side of the equation. What happens when a number moves from one side to the other side? It changes the sign to the opposite. So at the moment, I do have 9 here. So plus 2x will become minus 2x. Now, what or how does that help me to solve my equation? Remember, we're trying to eliminate one of the letters. So look at that. This is y, and this is y as well. Therefore, I can take this and replace this y here. And that way, I will have an equation that doesn't have y. Okay, let's do that. So we have 3x plus 4, and that 4 is what? Multiply by y. And we are saying that y can as well be written as 9 minus 2x and equal 29. And look at that. That way I have one equation, one letter. I can solve it. So how do we solve it? Where we are going with this calculation? Don't forget x equal number. So I'm saying I have my x here, and then I have my x in the bracket, and this bracket is multiplied by 4. So first, I need to multiply the bracket by 4. So 3x, just copy, paste. 4 multiplied by 9, that is 36. 4 multiplied by minus 2, we put in the calculator, we get is minus 8. And let's not forget about x, and then 29 on the other side. So again, what do we do next? Don't forget always, where are we going? X on one side, number on the other side. So I have 2 x's here. I have 3 and minus 8. If I put that in the calculator, 3 minus 8, we're going to get minus 5. So we have together minus 5x. On this side of the equation, we have 29. And we are saying numbers on the other side. So that 36 moved to the other side of the equation and therefore change the sign from positive to negative. So the last thing to go, that minus 5 is multiplied by x, but we just want x, not x multiplied by minus 5. To eliminate multiplication, we divide. But if we divide one side, we have to divide the other side of the equation as well. Why do we divide? Because minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1. 1 multiplied by x is x. Therefore, I have x on one side, numbers on the other. I take that, put that in my calculator, and I get is 7 over 5. Now, we found the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. That value of x, I can solve it here, 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 wherever I want. However, here, that equation is very nice and good because we want to find the value of y, so I don't have to do anything. I can say y equal 9 minus and 2 multiplied by x, and we said that x is 7 over 5. And again, we put that in the calculator and we press equal, and we get that y is 31/5. So that's what I'm saying. This method, there are two methods of how to solve this type of simultaneous equation, but that method will have much wider application than just simultaneous equation. That's the reason why I encourage you to know that.